Hey guys, what's up? Your favorite tech channel, Tech Excellence 360, is back here. And today we are diving into the mind blowing world of Boston Dynamics. These robo wizards are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. And as a YouTuber, I can't be more excited to see what talent is contributing to this global revolution. Remember those Terminator movies where robots run like insane bolts on steroids? Now forget about Terminator because Atlas is here. It is doing Parker. Yes, you heard that right. This humanoid beast can now navigate complex terrains, jumps over obstacles, and even open doors like a pro. Forget Hollywood. Boston Dynamics is giving us real life robot action. But Atlas isn't the only star of the show. Meet Spot, the four-legged wonder dog that is not just your average pet. This nibble robot is already saving lives by inspecting dangerous environments like nuclear power plants and offshore rigs. And guess what? It is even helping farmers monitoring their crops. But Boston Dynamics isn't just about cool tricks. They are also working on making robots smarter and more interactive. Imagine robots that learn from watching us, just like little kids. Or robots that understand our instructions and work alongside us. The possibilities are endless, and it is going to change the world as we know it. And guess what? This robo revolution just got a major boost. Hyundai, the Korean auto giant, has joined the partner by acquiring Boston Dynamics. This means robots might soon be zipping around in our future Hyundai cars, making our lives even more futuristic. Now that's something to chai over. So there you have it, folks. Boston Dynamics is leading the charge in the robot race. And it is an exciting ride to be on. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and see what these robo geniuses cook up next, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell like there is no tomorrow. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the future of robots. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep rocking the Desi tech scene.